Ready to explore the new horizons of your iPhone? The landscape of our digital lives has dramatically shifted with the release of iOS 18. Like a fresh coat of paint on a familiar landmark, this new operating system breathes life into our most trusted companion. Join me as we venture into the heart of iOS 18, uncovering the features and enhancements that promise to redefine the iPhone experience. Like stepping into a redesigned home, iOS 18 greets us with a completely customizable home screen. Imagine rearranging furniture to curate the perfect ambiance. With iOS 18, you can do just that with your apps and widgets. Group them by category, task, or even color scheme. The power is at your fingertips. This newfound control extends to widgets, those handy digital tools that provide information at a glance. Resize them, reposition them, or discover a plethora of new options designed to streamline your daily routines. In this digital age, privacy has become paramount, a precious resource deserving of the highest protection. Like a fortress reinforcing its walls, iOS 18 introduces a suite of enhanced privacy features designed to safeguard your digital life. App tracking transparency, introduced in previous updates, evolves to give you even greater control over the information you share. With new layers of security surrounding your data, iOS 18 ensures that your online interactions remain private and secure. It's like having a watchful guardian constantly looking out for your digital well-being. Remember when you first met Siri? It feels like a lifetime ago. Siri, our ever-evolving digital assistant, undergoes a remarkable transformation in iOS 18. Gone are the days of rigid commands and limited responses. Siri has been to finishing school, emerging more intuitive and capable than ever before. Natural language processing allows for more conversational interactions, understanding the nuances and complexities of your requests. Need a restaurant recommendation for a romantic dinner? Siri can now provide personalized suggestions based on your preferences. Communication, the lifeblood of human connection, takes center stage in iOS 18. Messages, our digital town square, receives a vibrant makeover, with new features designed to make our conversations more engaging and expressive. Imagine sending messages that burst with personality and flair. Memoji, those delightful digital avatars, have evolved beyond our wildest imaginations. New customization options allow you to create a memoji that truly reflects your unique style. From hairstyles and accessories to clothing and expressions, the possibilities are as boundless as your imagination. In the tapestry of life, health and fitness are the threads that weave it all together. iOS 18 recognizes their significance, introducing a suite of enhancements designed to empower you on your wellness journey. The Health app, your comprehensive health hub, is now more intuitive and insightful than ever. New tracking metrics provide a deeper understanding of your sleep patterns, activity levels, and overall well-being. It's like having a personal health coach right in your pocket, guiding you towards a healthier and happier you. Navigating the urban jungle can be a daunting task, but fear not, for iOS 18 is here to guide you. Maps, our trusty digital compass, has undergone a significant transformation, providing an even more immersive and informative navigation experience. Imagine exploring a new city with the confidence of a seasoned local. Augmented reality integration overlays digital information onto the real world, guiding you to your destination with unparalleled precision. Lost in a sea of towering skyscrapers? Simply hold up your iPhone and Maps will guide you through the urban labyrinth. In the relentless pursuit of innovation, battery life often feels like the elusive prey. But with iOS 18, Apple has made significant strides in extending the endurance of our iPhones. Imagine a world where you can browse, stream, and connect without constantly glancing at the battery icon. Optimized power management ensures that your iPhone sips power efficiently, extending its lifespan throughout the day. It's like having a fuel-efficient engine under the hood, allowing you to go further on a single charge. The world is a canvas, and our iPhones, the brushes with which we paint our stories. iOS 18 empowers us to capture life's splendor with a suite of new camera features and photo editing tools. Imagine capturing photos and videos that rival professional productions. Improved image processing algorithms enhance details and clarity, while new shooting modes unlock creative possibilities. The redesigned camera app puts a world of photographic tools at your fingertips. Experiment with depth of field, adjust lighting conditions, or add artistic filters to transform your photos into masterpieces. In an increasingly interconnected world, data security is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. iOS 18 recognizes this, fortifying our digital fortresses with robust security updates designed to keep our information safe from prying eyes. Imagine a world where your data is shielded by an impenetrable digital vault. Enhanced encryption protocols safeguard your sensitive information, while new security features provide an extra layer of protection against emerging threats. It's like having a team of digital bodyguards working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your data secure. Augmented reality, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is rapidly becoming a part of our daily lives. iOS 18 embraces this transformative technology, seamlessly integrating it into the fabric of the iPhone experience. Imagine a world where the digital and physical worlds collide, creating experiences that blur the lines of reality. From interactive gaming to immersive shopping experiences, augmented reality is poised to revolutionize the way we interact with our iPhones and the world around us. It's like stepping through a portal into the future, where the possibilities are limited only by our imaginations. And so, our expedition through the wonders of iOS 18 concludes. From the redesigned home screen to the groundbreaking augmented reality features, this update is a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and user experience. If you haven't already, I encourage you to embark on this digital adventure yourself. Update your devices, explore the new features, and discover the boundless possibilities that await. The world of iOS 18 is vast and ever-evolving, and I'm eager to guide you through its intricacies. Stay tuned for more updates, tips, and in-depth explorations of all that iOS 18 has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and tips on iOS 18. Thanks for watching.